What's up, guys? Been a while since I uploaded anything. I've been in the process of moving. I moved out of the apartment and actually got a house. It's a nice little house with a garage. I'll probably give you a tour of the garage later on. I've been just packing and packing, unpacking, moving, and doing a bunch of other stuff. But anyways, all I did here was just I'm working on a Chevy Corvette, and what I did is I just lifted it up off the ground with our floor jack because yeah, it's really low to the ground and it's hard to get access to the bolts and the screws in the bottom. Then I just removed the covers that you saw up there, the two little black covers on the inside of the hood. All this was just a minor repair to the bumper. But anyways, I begin by removing the 10 7mm screws that are at the bottom. I remove those one by one. This thing is full of screws everywhere. But like I said, I'm just removing each one of those individually one by one. Once I remove all of these, I'm actually going to remove the engine cover that's at the bottom. You're going to see in a little bit. And that engine cover is just held by four 10mm bolts. Once I remove these, it's going to give you access to some hidden 7mm screws. 5 of them that are, you'll see right now. It's kind of hard to explain, but it's right there. I had to put the light on it because it was dark. But there's 5 of these running along that area right there. There goes one. And this is actually 4K. I was actually recording 4K with my GoPro. Let me know what you guys think. And the Mac is doing an awesome job keeping up and actually being able to video edit. So that's freaking awesome. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. I might not do this quality though because it takes up a lot of memory on my memory stick and I can only record so much and the battery life isn't so long. So I'm just trying to figure out all of this and how I can get the best quality content, like look wise and everything for you guys. So I'm kind of just messing with the settings and everything. But yeah, just let me know what you guys think. But anyways, after I removed those 5 7mm screws, I went to the fender liners and I removed 3 15 Torx screws. There's a 6 total, 3 on each side. You saw the 3 on the other side and this is the 3 on this side. But these are 15 Torx, or Torx 15, I don't know how you say it. It's just T15. And then once I do that, I go to the top where I remove those covers and it has 430 Torx, or T30, whatever you want to call them. Some of it I wasn't able to get it on frame, but you get the point. I try my best, but it's kind of hard to tell because I have the camera in my mouth, like on a mouth mount. But I do my best. And then it has 2 pushing clips on the top that you can see that I removed there. And then this is the last one. Then once I remove that, I begin the process of like snapping the bumper off. I do the sides first. Once I do that, this one has like a bracket right there in between the headlight, the headlight and the fender and the bumper. But all I did was pry it apart with this plastic wedge and just poked a little tab and pulled up. Released it a little bit. I have to find my thing now. But once I released it a little bit, I wedged it in there. I wedged it in between a little bit more so I can get more access into it. You can't really see because I was off frame, but I poked the other tab and it just pulled the bumper off. Then I just disconnected my wiring and everything, and the bumper just comes off.